Hello guys, what is up? Welcome to my tutorial. In this video I'm going to teach you guys how to get started with Java starting from zero. As you can see, I still have this weird watermark here. Wish to tell you that I've installed a new Windows, and yeah, with this weird orange background. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to download the JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. So every Java programmer needs this kit to code their Java code so that it can be programmed and whatever. So download Java JDK. Click on the first link that you see, and it's going to bring you to Oracle website. Because Java has been bought by Oracle from Sun's development, and on this page we have three options. The one that we're going to need is JDK. As I have explained, JDK stands for Java Development Kit, and this one right here is Java Runtime Environment. The difference is that JDK has this JRE inside them, but JRE doesn't have what JDK have. So basically JRE is for client side who does not code or make program. They simply just want to run the software. But for us, we're going to need JDK because we're going to make the program using Java. Now for further explanation, we have this here. I'm not going to explain further because, right, just a little bit more. So this server JRE is for server. Okay, that's all. Now click on the JDK download. The first thing that you need to do is accept the license agreement. As of this video, the latest version is Java SE Development Kit version 8 update 91. So click on whichever is related to your specification and click download. So I'm not going to click the download because I've already cheated and download this. Although this one is a little bit outdated. This one is 91, but I have 60, but it's okay. Alright, so after you have downloaded, I'm going to close this. Open up the software. Yes. And for you guys who does not know Java, I'm going to teach you the basic of Java so you can get started with Java with some fundamental knowledge. And yeah, so don't be afraid and let's get started with our learning. Click on next. Please take note of the path here. Waiting, copying everything. For those of you who are wondering, I'm not using new computer as per se, but I'm using VMware right now, virtual machine, just to act like a new computer, but it is not, but it is. Okay, hurry up now. Let's not waste any more time because it's already 4 minutes into the video. I think I'm going to skip this, so I'm going to do the magic and I see you guys next. Okay, I'm back. So now we have this option here, this window saying the destination folder, and I'm going to keep it to the default and clicking on next, installing Java again. And what does this does? I don't know, but let's just wait. Okay, just some extra knowledge. Java is being run on a lot of devices, even on your computer right now, if you might not notice. And the most popular one that we all know is Android. Most of Android apps is written using Java, but that is for the different tutorial. I'm going to teach you the basic of Java, how the program is compiled, how the program is run, and all such. And if you're interested, you can check on the API documentation, but I'm not going to do that right now because we are still in the installation process. Okay, now that we have done, the first thing you need to do is check if your Java is installed properly. I'm going to go and check on command prompt, right click, run as administrator. Yes, please. And now to check if your Java is installed correctly or not, you can type this in your command, Java version, and there you go. We have Java version just as the one I've installed. If you're wondering if I have installed it before, no, I have not. This is my first time I'm installing this. And let's get started with some coding. First thing I need to do is make an organized folder. Let's call this Java tutorial. You know, there's a better way to code by using IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment. I've just spelled it out, didn't I? But we're not going to do that right now because you see, if I teach you using the IDE, there are a lot of confusing stuff and button there and there that you don't want to know, because the first thing that every student need to know is how Java works, not those buttons and non-related things. Okay. Now the first thing I want to do is create a new text file. We're going to do the traditional but powerful way of writing Java code. Let's call this hello world.java. Now see here, the tab is still the text document, but I've already written in hello world.java. Now what you can do is open it up, save as, and take notes on this save as type as all files. Save. It is still there. I think maybe I should just rename it to other thing, hello world. New hello world. Okay. And there we have it. To make sure that it is the correct Java file, you check on the type, which is Java file. I mean Java. Okay. Now click on edit. I'm going to delete this old file. Alright, so here is our first code. The first thing that you need to do is take note of the name for the class. So it is called public new hello world. It is case sensitive. Java is very case sensitive, so you need to know the case of your file name. Public class new hello world. Now this is a class of new hello world. It's like a home, and inside a home there's your chair, your television, your everything, and that's going to be your method or function. If you are used to any other language like C++ or C, my mouth, my tongue is twisting. Okay, now we're going to create our first method. Public static void main string args. You can see that I am indenting this using tab, so the code looks cleaner and easier to read. Java is a high programming language. It is different from those binary things that we saw on the TV or something. Those are low level language. So I'm going to explain that high level language is intended for human readable, okay, but it is not computer readable. And low level language is intended for computer to understand. It is a language for computer. Those are the binary 101001 stuff, but human cannot understand it. So we have this low level language and high level language, and to convert between high level language to low level language, we're going to need some compiler or something, and Java has JVM, which is a Java virtual machine that can do those stuff. It is a little bit complicated to explain, but let's get started. Let's get continue with this. Now we're going to print some hello world. And let's save this. For those of you who are new to coding, I suggest that you did not copy paste or anything. Just write this stuff, easy as that. Get used to this weird thing. Get used to yourself. Okay, now I've already saved this. I'm closing it. So I'm going to press shift right click on my mouse and keyboard and open command window here. Alright, as you can see, I have this new hello world.java. So the first thing that you need to do after writing your code is to compile it into a Java file, JAVAC file. What I'm going to do is Java new hello world, and it's going to give you some error because Java is not recognized as an internal or external command operable program or bash file, something like that. So what you're going to do is go to computer. Wait, I think it's system information. Okay, then you click on this change setting, click on advanced environment variable, and you see this weird message here and stuff. Click on new. We're going to create a new Java home variable, and remember that I told you to note down the location of your installation of Java. It is in program file Java, and we have this JDK and JRE. I'm going to click on JDK, and it's inside bin. So I'm going to click here and copy all this and paste it into the variable value. Click OK. It is inserted here, and now OK and OK. Let's try that again. Let's see here. Do we have JAVAC? Yes, we do. I think I am missing something here, but do I even need to restart something? I think no. Maybe I just need to close this and open up this again. Shift right click, open command windows here. Just try Java. Let's see what we have. Java compile. Alright, I think let's check this back. Advanced environment variable. Alright, it's here. I'm sorry. So at the end of here, you put this semicolon here and paste the one before. Okay, and okay. Let's try this again. Shift right click, open command windows here. Java. Okay, there you go. I'm sorry for the delay, and let's try that again. I'm going to clear this. Java. What was it again? Java. New hello world to Java. New hello world. See here, I did not put the extension .java at the end. Let's try to see what it shows. Array class name new hello world blah blah blah. It means that you need to put .java at the end. Let's try that again. And it shows that it is successful. Right, now to run that, okay, first you see here we have a class file. It shows that the compilation is successful. Alright, now to run your program, your happily newly created extravagant software, you need to type Java new hello. But for this one, you don't need the .java extension, simply your class name. And there you go, we have this message here. So to check out, open with Notepad, and here we have it. Alright, now let's say for example I want to change something. Hello world is so cheeky, I think goodbye world. I think that one is better. Save, close, and here comes the trick. You see, if I type in Java new hello world, it's going to say hello world, but we've already changed just now into into goodbye world. So what you need to do is recompile the file again. New hello world, don't forget the extension. Successful, and then we're going to run the program again. And there you have it, my first video for this channel. I hope you like it. Give it a like if it helps you. Dislike if this video is so cheeky or something, or you don't like my new computer. This one, maybe I should change the background or something, or remove this evil quote. Okay, that's all guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like my channel. I'm going to continue. Yeah, this channel name is Code Anime Senpai. Code Anime Senpai. So I'm going to add new feature, new character or something, because I've done this in another channel, but there's some problem with AdSense or something. But hey, this gives me a new start, and see you guys next time.